a look at this set of 2. It looks like a little shooting star. They're so sweet. It's a set of 2 classic kitchen towel and mitt set. Now, you're getting the 2 mitts that you see here, that beautiful star shape, and then the kitchen towels attached to them, and you can use them together or separately, but those towels are that microfiber that we love from Temp-tations. So you're getting the classic here. So you're getting old world pattern and the floral lace pattern all rolled into one. And those are the 2 most popular patterns from Temp-tations. Now this first color choice, we have 9 choices to discuss in this presentation. This is the gray. Goes beautifully with that stainless steel, doesn't it? I like that a lot. And then on QVC.com, we also have patriotic. Oh, I love the patriotic red, white, and blue there. Next choice is the blue, gorgeous. Then we have black. Next is green. Then we've got the confetti. Ooh, and I love that that fuchsia shade is part of the mitts. 900 in the confetti. Then we also have red. Ooh, good for holidays. Then we have taupe. Oh, so cute. And then we've got doodle-doo. Oh my gosh, we always have to say toodaloo to doodle-doo because it's always so popular, but it's in stock today. I love the little gingham on the towel too. 5 easy payments of $5 and free shipping and handling. More than 10,000 have already been sold, and Lisa Lasort is here to talk to us all about them. Lisa, these are so cute. And I love that we can use them completely separate from each other, but they look so cute together.
I know, and Mary, they're so colorful and they're fun. And what we did was we took 2 of our most popular items, our mitts and our towels, and we married them together. I'd like to show you up close over here exactly how we constructed these. Now, you are getting a set of 2. So you're going to get 2 mitts and you're going to get 2 towels. Let's talk about how they're married together right here. First of all, on the back, hook and loop closure right there. So if you want to hang this over your oven door, over your microwave door, over your dishwasher, perfect. No worries at all. Then you can see right here, this is how this attaches. There's 2 Velcro strips that just marry together right there. Let's talk about the mitt. Silicone on both sides in that fun figural flower shape. I'm showing you the confetti color, but what's so great about the silicone is it allows you to open jars. It gives you a great grip when you're holding hot bakers. And when you see it on the back, that's how you're going to get your hand in, just like so. This is great for toaster ovens, it's great for microwaves, and it's great for ovens. Let's talk about the towel portion right there. This is a nice big towel, and I love how even at the bottom we give you that detail. But again, hook and loop closure on the towel. You can put this around your belt loop or around your apron, but it's a set of 2. And Mare, stay here with me for 1 minute because I just want to show you one thing. I'm going to get my tea kettle right here, right off of the oven, and here's what you can do. Now, look at that. You see the steam coming out just like so. I'm going to let go and I'm going to show you. There is no heat transfer. That's why these are not just pretty, they are essential in every single home. And why don't I feel heat transfer? Because when I open up that mitt, you see layer upon layer upon layer of that soft, tightly packed cotton combination right there, so that no heat transfer will go through at all. That's what makes these pretty practical and pretty amazing, to tell you the truth.
You know how much I love my Temp-tations mitts. I gift them. I adore them. The fact that these are a cute little star shape, I think is adorable. The fact too, Lisa, I love this, and this is so smart. You know, yes, they look lovely, but we need everything in the kitchen to be functional. It's great if it looks nice, but I need it to work. Take a look. If I need a mitt, when do you need a mitt in the kitchen? You need one right now. You need it when it's time to use it. You don't plan it out. And so this one, look, I can just grab it and it comes right off of that hook and loop easily. So when I need to reach into the oven fast, I've got it, easy access and quick access too. But I love the fact that, same with the towel. If I need to pull that right off the oven arm, I can do the oven arm, oven handle. Why does the oven have arms? That's a whole other story. But we've got 9 different colors to show, Lisa, and I love that whether you collect old world, whether you collect floral lace, whether you collect doodle-doo, patriotic, we've got lots for you. And right now, we have the gray in stock. I love the little stripes at the bottom too. I think that's just so sweet. Looks like a shooting star, doesn't it? So, so sweet. Patriotic, red, white, and blue, still available. We've also got the blue. We also have black, Next is the green. We've got gray, of course, and we've got confetti, but I do believe, now Brian, is confetti our most limited right now? Oh, patriotic is our most limited, but confetti is very popular. We also have them in red. We do have the taupe, and we've got doodle doo. Now, doodle doo is most limited, so Lisa, we will be saying toodaloo to doodle doo at some point in the very near future. I know. Barely help myself.
You know, Mary, what I love about this the most is that these are key pieces that we talk about that you need in the oven. I love how right here you can see that they're on my door handle. That's perfect. So I can literally just take it off. But look what else you can do right here. I can literally pull the shelf right out in the oven. I can touch. You know, sometimes you knock your hand up here. This is about safety and protection as well. And when I go to put this right over here to just show you so many different ways that I can hold this baker now, underneath it on the sides. Any dexterity issues, these are a must-have in your kitchen. Pretty and so amazing. Seriously, love
I love
these.
it. K50164, great gift idea too. Lisa, thank you. We will see you shortly.
Bye, Mare.
Bye, friend. It's free shipping day.